Hi guys, let me show you how to share your screen in a FaceTime call on iPhone. For that, we need to start by going in FaceTime app directly. And here you can call person in recents or create new FaceTime if you want to FaceTime another person. I'm gonna tap here. I'm gonna disable my camera. And now we just made this FaceTime call. So to be able to share our screen, we need to click this icon, share, and choose option, share my screen. Now after 3 seconds countdown, you'll hear a chime confirming that we are sharing the screen now. So let me show you how it will look on other device. As you can see, it displays everything on my phone, even when opened apps, even when I go in photos, so I can basically see everything on another person's display. It's working just fine. Also, if you haven't muted your device, then you will hear a sound as well. So on other device, you will hear sound from device on which you are sharing your screen. So this is really cool feature. You can watch TikTok or watch videos together with that way, watch YouTube, share music, and so on. Now to stop sharing, tap on your dynamic island, tap again to go in FaceTime, tap on share icon, and after a time you'll stop sharing your screen. That's all. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.